And welcome back to our channel. My name is Ayush Kumar Singh. I am a legal intern in Lexington Company. So in this video, we are going to discuss about a summon. So starting from what is a summon? When a suit is instituted by the plaintiff, the court order to issue summon to the defendant. This is to permit the defendant to appear and answer the claim of the plaintiff. This ensures a fair trial. Without a due served summon, no further action can be taken against the defendant. So sending the summon is very important in a civil case. So now let's look upon the provisions of service of summon in CPC. Section 27 of and Order 5 of the Code of Civil Procedure deals with the service of summon to defendant. As per Section 27, the summon may be served on such a date not beyond 30 days from the date of the institution of suit. Now you can look at the provision of Order 5 Rule 1 of CPC. No such summons shall be issued when a defendant has appeared at the presentation of plaint and admitted the plaintiff's claim. So in order to attach this provision, the defendant must appear and shall as well as admit the claim. Now, let's see the mode of service of summon. A magistrate issuing a summon to an accused or a witness may direct a copy of summon to be served at the place where such accused or witness ordinarily reside or carries out on businesses or personally work for gain, by speed post or by such courier services as appropriate by the Court of Session. When an acknowledgement proportion is to be signed by the accused or the witness, or an endorsement proposed to be made by any person authorized by the portal department or the courier service, that the accused or the witness refused to take the delivery of the summon has been received, the court issue the summon may be declared that the summon has been duly served. Now, serving summon in India. So, service by public. If a person cannot be found, some jurisdiction allows service by publication, which typically involves printing the legal notice in the local newspaper for a specific number of days. Service of process of a foreign defendant who lives in another country must satisfy all the requirements of an international agreement called the Hague Service Convention. Now, the second type of service is substitute service. In many jurisdictions, service of process may also be accomplished through the subsequent service if the parties to be served is unavailable. When with the substitute service, the legal document may be left with the third party, such as a spouse or employer. Substitute service can also be done through the use of certified mail, which provides a mail receipt and record of the delivery. Substitute service usually cannot be authorized unless it shows that the regular service is process will cause hardship or impracticable, and that the subsequent service will actually reach the intended reception. Now the third one is process server. The actual delivery of the legal document is done by a non-interested process server who is not a party of the litigation. The process server must be an adult, and they usually serve legal documents as a profession. Some jurisdiction have certain license or certification requirement for private process servers. Process servers can also be a court or government official, such as staff, uh, deputy, etc. There are some explanation under various headings like motor accident. In various majority of cases, the police may lay out information within 6 months of the offense occurring. This means that the police must ask the court to issue a summons within the period of time. Government servant. When the person summoned is in the action served served to of the government, the court issue the summon shall ordinarily send in a duplicate to the head of the office, if in which such person is employed, and such head shall throughout cause the summon to be served in the manner or as explained above, and shall be returned it to the court under his signature with the endorsement as required by law. When a court is desired that the summon issued by it shall be served at any place outside its local jurisdiction, it shall ordinarily send such summon in duplicate to the magistrate within whose jurisdiction the person summons resides. Foreign summon: any court or revenue court established in any part of India to which the provision of this code does not exist, or any court or revenue court established or continued to be authorized of the central government outside India, or any other civil or revenue code outside India to which the central government has by notification in the official gazette declared the provisions of this section to apply, may be sent to the court in the territory to which the court exists, and served as if they are summons issued by such court. So next is divorce. Service of summon can be in a divorce case can be sent by registrar post with acknowledgement due, or through the bailiff. And the last one is personal service in India. Private process service can be served may serve the document in most countries, whereas signed by the Hague Service Convention or not. So I hope you find the video informative. So please like, share, and subscribe.